Boys and girls, after you write your first name, last name, and date, we're going to take a reading quiz about Yuyi Morales. Question 1. What is this article mostly about? Where Yuyi lives? How Yuyi makes her books? Or Yuyi's favorite books to read? Which one is the article mostly about? Question 2. Besides drawing and writing, what else does Yuyi love to do? Read, run, or sew? Besides drawing and writing, what else does Yuyi love to do? Reading, running, or sewing? Question 3. When Yuyi adds to her drawing, she puts in more inspiration, process, or details. Which one does Yuyi add to her drawings? Inspiration, process, or details? Question 4. Look at the sidebar. What step does Yuyi do first? She makes tiny drawings, she adds details to her drawings, or she dreams and comes up with ideas. Which step does Yuyi do first? Make tiny drawings, add details to her drawings, or she dreams and comes up with ideas. Question 5. The article says that Yuyi uses her mistakes to grow. Which sentence from the article shows that this is true? Mistakes actually make my work even better. I do a lot of really tiny drawings. I love it. Which sentence from the article shows that Yuyi uses her mistakes to grow? Mistakes actually make my work even better. I do a lot of really tiny drawings, or I love it. Now you're going to do the magic of mistakes. Making mistakes can be hard, but mistakes can also offer us chances to learn and grow. Use your Scholastic News issue to answer the questions about how Yuyi deals with mistakes. Then write about what you would do. How does Yuyi feel when she makes mistakes? So look back in the article to find out how she feels when she makes a mistake. Make sure you write a full sentence like, Yuyi feels blank when she makes a mistake, starting with a capital and ending with a period. How do you feel when you make a mistake? I feel blank when I make a mistake. What does Yuyi do to calm down if she is feeling frustrated? So look back in your Scholastic News to see what strategy Yuyi does to calm down when she is frustrated. Again, write a full sentence. What do you do to calm down when you are feeling frustrated? How does Yuyi move on from a mistake? Look back in the article and see how Yuyi moves on from making a mistake. Use a full sentence. How do you move on from making a mistake? What is something that you do after you make a mistake? Last, how does making mistakes help us learn? Making mistakes help us learn because